Hi friends, here we wish to share the new update from MHRD regarding IIT admission 2020. MHRD announced relaxation in eligibility criteria in the admission process due to the partial cancellation of 12th exam by several boards. So that Joint Admission Board has decided to relax the eligibility criterion for JEE Advanced qualified candidates. The relaxations are: the admission is based on the performance in JEE Advanced 2020. Students who have passed 12th, irrespective of any percentage, is eligible for admission. The aggregate mark of 12th board exam 75% and 65% for reserved category will not be considered as criteria. These are the latest announcements regarding the IIT admission 2020. Now we can go through the eligibility criteria for JEE Advanced 2020. First, performance in JEE Main. The candidate should qualify the JEE Main 2020. Second, the age limit. Candidate born on or after 1st October 1995 are eligible for JEE Advanced 2020. Age relaxation 5 years applicable for reserved category. The number of attempts. A candidate can attend JEE Advanced 2 times in 2 consecutive years. Appearance in 12th or equivalent exam. The candidate should have appeared for the 12th standard or equivalent qualifying examination in 2019 or 2020. Also, those candidates qualified 12th standard in 2018 will be eligible for JEE Advanced 2020 if they meet the other eligibility criteria. Earlier admission at IITs. Candidates who have been admitted in an IIT will not be eligible for JEE Advanced 2020. Finally, as announced by MHRD, the revised exam schedule is: JEE Main examination will be held between 1st to 6th September. JEE Advanced will be held on 27th September. NEET examination will be held on 13th September. Wish you all the best. Thank you for watching.